Attention creators! The deadline for the Aquatic Depth Open Call is approaching. Worry not, we will teach you various techniques to achieve effects that fit such a theme. Let's dive into animations, particle effects, cloth simulation, and dynamic bones. Now let's take a look at this animated creature. We imported the files and decided to only use this animation from all the included ones. Do not forget to check the loop time box if you want to loop the animation. Select your model in the Hierarchy tab and add the animation and animator components. Here you can add the default animation you would like. You can expand the menu of your model and find the animation in there. For the controller, you will have to create a new animator controller, name it, and double-click to open the animator state machine. Here you will drag one or more animations from your model. To view the animation, you will have to click on Play. These bubbles are created with a particle system, and you can buy them from the Unity Asset Store to save yourself some time. You will support a fellow independent developer and have this asset working right out of the box with no issues. You can see how I drag the bubbles into my scene and easily adjust the settings to my liking. Now check how to create a particle system from scratch with these steps. 1. Locate the Project tab and click on the plus button. 2. Select Visual Effects and then Visual Effect Graph. 3. Name your effect. 4. Drag your effect into the scene. 5. Double-click on your new effect to open the Unity VFX graph. 6. Find the output particle quad block at the bottom of the graph and change the default particle texture for your own bubble texture. 7. Adjust the particle settings to achieve your desired effect. This wobbly alien coral can be created by adding a couple of bones and using the DynamicBones component, which you can also get from the Unity Asset Store. Please note that acquiring assets will help you develop for any other project that uses Unity, like a metaverse or your own video game. It's not exclusive to Filta and face filters. Select your model and add the component, then drag the armature to the root section. You have to play the simulation and adjust the settings to your liking. Select the component menu and copy the component. You can now unplay the simulation and through that same menu, paste the component values. Alternatively, you can create custom presets to save time next time you use DynamicBones. Finally, to conclude our deep dive, we will use the Unity Cloth component to animate these interactive algae. Select the model and add the cloth component to then edit the cloth constraints. You should set the constraint size to 0.01 or something you can see. Then use the Select tab and Ctrl+A to select all constraints. Now you can activate the max distance and set it to 1. Use the Select tab again to click on the bottom constraint, which will be set to a max distance of 0. What you see now is the green constraints that will be moving in contrast to the red one. Click on Play to see the simulation, then adjust and save the settings to your liking. The deadline to submit your designs is September 5th. Please review all the submission requirements and contact us if you have any questions. We are also excited to share that selected creators will receive VIP tickets to the Future Fashion event in Milan, as well as tickets to ETH Milan. Share this video with fellow creators and save it to watch later. You can also join our Discord channel if you want to be part of our community. We hope this video was helpful. See you on the next one.